Let's talk about food and drinks. Food and drinks is what we will be presenting in this video today. Watermelon, watermelon, banana, banana, papaya and apples, mix them together, fruit salad, it is good for health. Watermelon, watermelon, banana, banana, papaya and apple, mix all together, fruit salad, it is good for health. We'll be talking about food and drinks. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? How does it taste? What is your favorite drink? And how does it taste? And the third one is, what is your favorite fruit? And how does it taste? In this video, we will be talking about taste of food. So we will focus on adjectives for describing taste of food. We have different types of food, different drinks, different fruits, different vegetables, and they have different tastes. When you want to eat or what you like to eat, do you know how it tastes? How do you describe the taste of the food you like or the food you are eating if someone should ask you? So we'll be talking about adjectives for describing taste of food. Salty, salty. You say salty when food has a lot of salt added to it. And what is salt? This is what we call salt. Food that has a lot of salt added to it, you say the food is salty. Example, dry roasted peanuts are very salty. Dry roasted peanuts are very salty. These are some pictures of salty food. We have dry roasted peanuts, we have salted fish, commonly eaten in Asia. So the next taste of food is sweet. Sweet. When you say a food is sweet, it means that food has a high residual sugar content. It has a lot of sugar in it. You say the food is sweet. Donuts are very sweet. Most Thai desserts are very sweet. These are some examples of sweet food, food that tastes really sweet, like donuts, desserts, cakes. They are really sweet. The next taste of food or adjective for describing a taste of food is spicy. Spicy. Spicy means the food has too much chili. This is what we call chili here. Chili makes food spicy. Example sentence. I had a very spicy fish soup for lunch. I had a very spicy fish soup for lunch. Look at the picture. Look at the man. When something is spicy, you are like, very spicy. That means it has a lot of chili added to it. The next is sour. Sour. It means that food or fruit is having a sharp, biting taste. Sharp, biting taste. Lemon is very sour. Lemon is very sour. When something is sour, it has that sharp biting taste, and you're like, sour. Look at the picture. Look at the little boy. This fruit he's eating is very sour. The next is crispy. Crispy. Crispy, you use that to describe food that is easily breakable. Food that is easily breakable, you say the food is crispy. Example, crispy biscuit is my favorite snack. That means you can break it easily. These are some examples of crispy food, things that you can easily break them and eat. You say they are crispy. Greasy. Greasy is used to describe food that has been deep fried. Deep fried means you put a lot of oil and you put the food inside and fry it. Most fried foods are very greasy. Deep fried food are very greasy. These are some examples like French fries, deep fried chicken, deep fried donuts. They are very greasy. Juicy. Juicy. Juicy is used to describe fruits that contains a lot of juice. Example, ripe pears are very juicy. Ripe pears are very juicy. You eat it, you get a lot of juice coming out of it. Sometimes oranges, watermelon, they are very juicy. Ripe. Ripe is used to describe food that is mature and ready to be eaten. Food that is mature and ready to be eaten, you say the food is ripe. Example, look at these ripe bananas, guava, apples. Anne bought a bunch of ripe bananas. Anne bought a bunch of ripe bananas. That means the banana is ready, mature, and ready to be eaten. The next is bitter. Bitter means that food is having a sharp, pungent taste or smell. It is not sweet. Sharp, pungent taste or smell that is not sweet. And when you take something that is bitter, you always keep that awful face because it doesn't taste good at all. I hate bitter guts. They taste horrible. Bitter guts are bitter. So when you take them, you have that horrible taste in your mouth that you just don't want to take it again. Bitter. Let's try something here. Ordering food and drinks. Ordering food and drinks. Normally, when you go into the restaurant or a bar, you want to order your food. You need to be specific about the taste of food, how you want your food or your drink or your juice made. So you have to be specific and tell the waiter or the waitress how you want your food or how you want your drink. In general, use the form I would like. What would you like to drink? I would like a cup of coffee, please. I would like a cup of coffee, please. May I have, please? May I have? You specify what you want, and please always remember to be polite to the waiter or the waitress by using please. Would you? Is it possible to have blah, 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 please? So after talking about food and the different tastes of food, let's try a conversation. Take a look at this menu and try to order food. Work with a partner. We have a menu here. Please try to order food from this menu. What is more important here is the taste of food. When you order your food, be specific about the taste of the food. How do you want it? And your drink, be specific about the taste of your drink. Do you want it sweet? Do you want it sour? How do you want it? Continue your order here. I have started the conversation for you. Good afternoon. I am, and I'll be your server. While you look at the menu, may I bring you a drink order? Continue the conversation and use the menu in the previous slide. Thank you so much for watching this far. I hope you have learned something in this unit. Please, you should master how to talk about the taste of food. What do you like to eat? How does it taste? What do you like to drink? How does it taste? Thank you so much. And please, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please go back and subscribe because we have a lot in stock for you. Thank you so much and see you in the next production.